Good day to Doctor. So this is our pair programming session. And now the first thing that we are going to do is to set up our model class. We do on user first. So in this part, we need to define the from JSON constructor into JSON method. Need to define a user dot from JSON. Then we need to map string and dynamic. And then the name is JSON. And we declare the argument JSON. Then we have name, photo URL, login, and password. Okay, so this is the from JSON constructor. Now we need the to JSON method. The type also same as is this map string and dynamic, and then to JSON. And the method is set the attribute ID. Then we repeat for the other argument. So we're done for the user class. Okay, so now we proceed to the to-do.dart. So we need to do the getter and setter first. So get title and set title, and we repeat for the other attribute. Now we need to do a copy constructor for the to-do class. So to-do.copy to-do from this title from your title, and repeat for the rest of the attribute. Then we do the constructor from JSON. We need to use the map string dynamic. The image JSON. This. Same as the user just now, with different attribute. When we continue with the rest attributes. Last is the to JSON method. The type is map, so, and the method is same as the user. We repeat for the other attribute. Okay, so I think we're done.
Okay, so now I will continue to do the add to do task. We try to import all the state. Okay, so over here, we try to define the title, get title. And then we also do for the set title. Okay, so we do the same thing. Okay, for the body part, we look at each of the label here. So for this one, we just directly use the state and then get the title. And then we also do for the description. Now we do the on change. So for the checkbox, so we also need to do the binary condition. So we need to do state done dot done equal to whether it is true or false. Okay, let's see. So now we continue.
Okay.
We do some navigation first.
Okay.
Okay, so we go to the button. Okay, so if I press cancel navigator dot pop. Okay, and then we also need to return now. Then for this one, we also do the same thing. But as said this time, we need to
return
state dot
dot widget
widget
dot.
dot data. Okay, so over here we direct navigator.
Okay.
Okay, so we need to get the value final and try new to do equal to await. After that, we need to do if whether it is now or not, and then only then we call the function. So here I also need to do the get the service. I also need to get the new to do here. Okay, so after we get the new to do, we need to add to the list.
Or restart. We log in first. And then we try to add a new to do. Okay. New to do title. Description. Okay.
Oh, okay. I know what should I do now. Okay, actually, I shouldn't do it something like this. Okay. And then I put dot then new to do. Only that we inside there. Oh my god. Inside there we put a set state. Move up. How about this?
Let's try again. Login first. And a new to do. Description. Yeah, it's added to the to-do list. Okay, so that's it. Okay, so now we're going to do the last part, which is the refresh button. So we go to the floater dot under the main screen and press here. What we need to do is to add a method that implement the refresh method from the main screen dot, which is this refresh future to do list. So and here we just do a it's a good practice to remove the method. So for this I will export it to another to externally refresh button press. Okay, so and then I will do a method here on refresh button press. So we need a void, and then we'll pass the state dot we access the function. Then I think that's pretty much it. So let me test. So I'll try to add something here, like a new to do, and I send here. So something will add, but if we see from the application, from the emulator, it doesn't change. So what I do is try to refresh, and you can see after I press the refresh, the new to do is added. So I think we're done for the refresh button. Okay, so this is the walkthrough of our exercise tree. So we've done everything, and when we start launching the application, so this is the main page. As you can see, so because there are no one login, so it will show the empty body and and the app bar showing please login. So we press this button and it will bring us to this login page. So we can try to log in with the users available in db.json, so which has Alex and Jessica. So we try to log in with Alex, which is login for Alex, and the password is 123. And here we can press the visible icon and it will toggle whether the password is visible or not. So we can press login, and after we press login it will bring us to the main page for the user, and we try to log out and here we log out. So now we try to enter the right login but the wrong password. So we will use the password we will set as ABC and we try to log in, and it will tell us that invalid username or password, and we press cancel, the login page will be popped. So now I'm going to show the main screen for one of the user, Alex. So when we log in successfully, this is the to-do list from the user, Alex. So now we try to add a new to-do by pressing the add floating action button. So we can add a new to-do, title, and new to-do description. So I'll try to press cancel, nothing will add. So let me try again. New title and new description. So this time we press OK. A new to-do will be added with the title, new title, and new description. So let me check here db.json. So yeah, a new to-do is added for the user one. Okay, so now let's try to edit the to-do. So and here we can change anything. We can change the title, edit title. Okay, so we can also edit description, and we mark it as done and try to press OK. Yeah, you can see since it is done, the title is slash. So we can try to edit again. This time we leave it description and we try to press cancel. So nothing has changed. And just now I forget to mention, just now when we press edit, the from the db.json, the title and description and the done also changed as well for the user one. So this for the edit to do. So now we try to delete. So delete, we will long press this tile. So when we long press this, you can see from the application the to do is disappeared, which means it's already removed. And from the JSON db.json, we can also see that the ID, the to do ID 6 is also removed. So that's for the remove. So last we'll show the refresh function. Okay, so what we're going to do here is we try to add something from the REST client. So we'll send a new to do, which is this to do, to the user one. So you can send by sending this, it shows that we already sent with the ID 6. So now as you can see from the application, it doesn't change. So what we can do is to press the refresh button, and you can see the to-do that we add from the REST client has already shown in the application. So this is the function of the refresh button. So I think that's it for our walkthrough.